Hi everyone, welcome back to Chiaki's Recipe Lab. In this video, we continue the YAKUZEN Recipe series. If you didn't see it and want to learn what YAKUZEN is, go check it out. Okay, today's ingredient is anchovy. Anchovy already has moderate amount of sodium, so it's easy to use for cooking. You can use in pasta, stir fry, or appetizer. If you buy some for today's recipe, you can use the rest of for some other great dishes after. But anchovy butter is pretty easy, so instead we will make it with vegan butter. Okay, let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients: almond milk, almond powder, pine nuts, coconut oil, lemon, salt, and one extra secret ingredients, and anchovy, dried garlic, dried herb, and parsley. First, let's make lemon juice. Next, in a small mixer, we put the coconut oil, almond powder, pine nuts, and almond milk. If you can't find almond milk, you can also use soy milk. Also add salt. And then mix it all until smooth. What? Oh, oops, I always forget to plug it in. Ta-da! Nice and smooth. And then try it, maybe a little bit more salt, and now time for today's secret ingredients. Apple vinegar. Okay, seems vegan butter is done, so we're gonna add anchovy. Ooh, snap! Everything cut it minced. We are going to make a half plain and half anchovy flavor. So add the anchovy ingredients is half the butter and give it a good mix. Then put them in the fridge to set. Okay, now we have a wonderful vegan butter and anchovy butter. This is a great appetizer. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!
In next video, we will continue YAKUZEN Recipe series. So make sure to check it out. See you then. Bye!